What if I told you there's a fully open source AI coding agent, completely free, with no usage caps that I've personally hit, no weekly resets, no credit system, and you don't need a powerful machine to run it? I've been using it for months. I've pushed it through extremely long sessions, not a single limit hit on my side. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how to set it up, and then we're going to build a real full stack SaaS from scratch, live, to prove it works. Stay until the end. The prompting system I'm giving away for free is the thing that actually makes this dangerous. I was a paying user of Anthropic's tools. I was using Claude Code. And before that, I was deep into another popular AI coding platform. Here's what I started noticing. The pattern with many AI coding tools today is almost always the same. They pull you in with a generous free experience. You move your projects in, you build workflows around them, you start depending on them. Then later, the limits appear. With one platform I used, even after paying $29 a month for the Pro plan, the usage cap was so tight it ran out in minutes. Then you're waiting for resets or buying extra credits on top of your subscription. Claude Code isn't very different. The Pro tier gives you roughly 44,000 tokens every 5 hours. And 44,000 sounds like a lot until you're actually building. Complex features burn through that surprisingly fast. Hit the weekly cap, and now you're choosing between waiting or moving to max plans around $100 to $200 monthly. I got tired of it, so I started looking for a real alternative. The tool is called OpenCode. At its core, it's an open source AI software agent built using Go and Charm's Bubble Tea framework. It runs as a terminal interface, desktop application, or IDE extension. Whatever workflow you prefer, with over 160,000 GitHub stars, 890 contributors, and 11,000 plus commits, OpenCode has become one of the fastest growing open source AI developer projects. What makes OpenCode different philosophically is simple. It doesn't lock you in. It doesn't force you onto a specific provider. It doesn't force your workflow through one company. And for privacy-focused users, it supports isolated workflows as well. Most importantly, it supports over 75 model providers, and some models are available directly inside OpenCode. When you open OpenCode for the first time, you'll see model selection. It supports almost everything: OpenAI, AWS Bedrock Azure, Grok, and many other providers. One smart way to extend it for free is connecting OpenRouter. Create an account, generate an API key, add it to OpenCode, and suddenly you gain access to a large collection of free models: DeepSeek v3, Qwen 3.5, Gemma, Gemini Flash, Minimax, and many others. Because these run through APIs in the cloud, you don't need a powerful machine, no expensive GPU, no local setup. But I do need to be honest here, even OpenRouter free models still have rate limits. Push them hard enough in long sessions and eventually you'll hit walls. That's not the solution I'm here to show you. Here's where things get interesting. OpenCode includes built-in free models directly inside the platform. No extra setup, no separate APIs, just select and build. The standout model right now is called Big Pickle. Don't let the name fool you. From what I've seen and from community discussions, it appears connected to coding-focused GLM-style models, and performance has been surprisingly strong. I've personally stress-tested it through extremely long sessions. No issues, no usage walls on my side, and OpenCode keeps expanding. New free models continue showing up regularly. Right now, there are options like Qwen 3.6 Plus, DeepSeek v4 Flash, Minimax 2.5, NVIDIA models, and more. But Big Pickle is the one I've personally used the most. Select it. Start building. That's it. Now let's stop talking and start building. We're building a full-stack SaaS application completely from scratch, an AI-powered freelance proposal and invoice generator. Because if you've ever freelanced, especially in places like the US, UK, or India, you know writing proposals repeatedly becomes painful very quickly. This tool allows users to describe projects and instantly generate proposals and PDF invoices. This tests everything: database logic backend APIs, front-end UI, file generation, AI integration, and things. But here's where things become interesting. We're going to control the AI agent using a structured prompting protocol based on context engineering. This is what separates random AI output from something that behaves much closer to an experienced engineer. There are 3 prompts. They're all in the description. Copy them exactly. Everything from prompt 1 onward stays basically unchanged. So what just happened? We took a free open source tool, paired it with a free built-in model, applied structured context engineering, and built an actual SaaS application. No subscription, no weekly reset, no extra credit purchases. Now, is it exactly Claude Code? No. Claude still has advantages in some situations, but here's the trade-off. With Claude, you may eventually run into usage restrictions. With this setup, I personally had far more room to iterate, experiment, and keep building. That freedom matters. All prompts are below. Copy them, adapt them, use them. And if this video helped you save money or discover something useful, subscribe and hit the bell. And if you'd like to support the channel directly, there's a Ko-fi link below. Completely optional, always appreciated. I'll see you in the next one.